I love pigs in a blanket. Who doesn't, right? So when I saw a keto version, I had to grab it. The recipe's down below. But let's try this out. I'll let you know. It looks delicious, but you never know. Could taste like crap. Anyway, could taste like that 3-ingredient bread I tried to make. But anyway, that's beside the point. Let's get into this. Come on in close, and I'll show you everything. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our fathead dough in this bowl right here. So let's just start putting everything in. Let's start with the almond flour. Okay. The eggs. 2 eggs. Once again, the exact recipe. Now I'm doubling it here. So what you're seeing is twice as much, okay? Cream cheese. And salt. So I'm doubling the recipe because I'm making twice as many of the appetizer. So, and just start mixing it. So here you go. We got everything but the cheese in here. All right. I got rid of the food glove. I'll wash my hands. Or I did wash my hands. And I'll wash them again afterwards. The food glove was just annoying. So I'm going to put all the cheese in there. There we go. And get that all mixed in. Honestly, the food glove was such a hindrance that it's so much better now. Because I can feel how it, when it's done, I can tell. So I'm going to do the beginning of this. Tammy just showed up from work. She's going to help me kind of roll the rest of it out. I could do it all myself if I had to, but just easier for her assistance. There we go. Now, whoops, a little bit more dough in here. Get all the dough out. Get it all in there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to kind of shape this. It's going to be a little tough with one hand, but we're going to get it done. This prevents you from having to use flour. Okay? So let's do this. Let me see if I can get it out here. There we go. Roll it out. There we go. Okay guys, you're going to go right down the middle. Best you can. That was horrible. And then you're going to do thin strips. A little bit thicker, probably the thickness of your, oh, maybe a little thinner. You'll get this down. Yeah, that's probably what you want right there. Okay. All right, guys, so we're going to take the end piece that I just cut, and we're going to get one of these, the little weenies, right? Go ahead and place it in, press it in a little bit, and then wrap it, okay? Kind of like a dough. Get that all wrapped up. And if it breaks apart, don't worry, because you can just press it together again. Get it all taken care of like that. And get them all lined up. Go to your next one. Let's take this one right here. This piece right here. I got myself some butter and garlic. That's what I'm talking about. Just gonna dab it all over on both trays. So now you can put it in at 350 until they're done. Okay, my new puppy Hope is making sound effects for my pigs in a blanket video. That's pretty cool. But anyway, look at these. They look really good. Look at the bottoms. All right, let's give this a try. Let's pull this board in more. There we go. And I'm gonna try. I've had my eye on this one right here. Here we go.
No.
Real good. Real good. Surprisingly good. Yeah, I'm just going to have another one. But anyway, give these a try at your next party. If you're trying to watch what you're eating, this is the keto version of Pigs in a Blanket. We're real excited to bring this to you. I love the flavor. Brushy. If you want to brush with egg wash, you can. I did garlic and butter. So it's just good. It's awesome.